seen me wear this on my Miami trips. It's so freaking cute. It's so like adorable. Very, it is sponsored. They did kindly send me this for a post on my Instagram, so I don't have like a tag for loving taking like little pics here. They've been so much fun, so cute. Hey there, my handsome and little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's nest. So Will and I are going to be going on holiday soon, so I just wanted to bring you guys along with me to pack my luggage and my carry-on because I'm a minimalist and I try my best to travel lightly, although I'm not as much of a minimalist as I was before. But regardless, I love these packing videos. They're really fun. I do make them. I have a couple on my channel of previous holidays that I've gone on, so I'm going to be showing you guys that. I also have an exciting cute little luggage that I want to share with you guys. That was a PR package. It was for Instagram, so I'm not gonna I don't have any handles or anything like that for it here, but I'm really excited to use the new luggage. So if you want to see how this minimalist packs, let's get it, let's go. Woo. So over here we have some goggles, so we're gonna go swimming. So here's my goggles and here's Will's goggles, although really truly whose is whose we'll probably know by the length of the strap. And then a lock. I don't know if we need a lock for the locker, but I'm gonna bring it anyway. And then I also have my cute little white bikinis. The bottom of this got busted. The chlorine ruined it, so I'm missing a bottom, so I'll probably have to pick up a new white bottom for this piece. It's this cute little top from Ardeen. I think you can see that there. Yeah, so I need a new bottom for that. But the star of the show is my Polo Laurent navy blue and white swimsuit. I absolutely love this. You guys have seen me wear this on my Miami trips. It's so freaking cute. It's so adorable. Very elegant. Polo Lauren, yeah, Ralph Lauren swimsuit. Where's the little horsey logo? Oh, there we go. I love that little horsey logo. It's so freaking cute. Do you see that? Adorable. And the luggage that I want to show you guys is this one. It is sponsored. They did kindly send me this for a post on my Instagram, so I don't have a tag for what do you call it, for you guys here on YouTube, but it's must. And yeah, it's just absolutely stunning. I ended up picking the rose gold champagne colorway instead of the silver. I know the silver is definitely a lot more Ramoa-ish, but I didn't want that. I don't know, I didn't really want a silver one. It wasn't really the vibe. I do prefer more gold, so this champagne color was perfection. So yeah, it's made of that alloyed, the carbonate alloyed, polyalloyed, and it's got these smooth little handles. This is not me trying to advertise this to you guys. I already handed in the Instagram post. This is just me sharing with you guys a piece that I'm super excited to use. I haven't used it yet, so we're gonna see. Yeah, literally I still have the packaging on it and everything, so we'll be packing that up. Hopefully I want everything to fit just this luggage and then my Goyard, and yeah, that's it. We're gonna travel light. It's a 2-day holiday, 2 nights, 2 days holiday, so I don't think I need that much. Oh, it's a 3-day holiday. Will just corrected me. The little peanut gallery in the background, he's right there. Okay, so yeah, let's get to packing this. So yeah, we're gonna be staying at the Hilton in 2 different locations. We're gonna be staying in the Hilton in Niagara, and we're gonna be staying at the Hilton in downtown Toronto, because with the way that the whole tariff thing and the whatnot, originally we were gonna go to Miami, but just kind of don't want to deal with the things that I've heard on the news. So we're doing a staycation. We're why don't we just go bouge out in Toronto? So we're just going to 2 different locations. Hang on. Do you guys love the new mirror that I installed? I've been loving taking little pics here. They've been so much fun, so cute. Yeah, it's a mirror that I painted, and those are my wedding flowers just shoved in there. This little flower thing is from Winners. I just realized I left the Goyard downstairs. Oh, well then. So yeah, what am I gonna pack? I hate to pack. If I'm being completely honest, I just shove everything in a bag, but no bueno, I shouldn't do that. So I'm thinking I probably want to bring my Longchamp, and I probably want to bring this to just take photos and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna take that. In terms of pants, what should I wear? I have no clue. I should probably grab something from the laundry room. Oh, I'm definitely gonna bring this, so we're packing that, taking that with me. What else could I take? I should probably bring some stuff. Okay, so let's pack some cosmetics and stuff. So I'm gonna use this clear case to like pack the things that I want to bring. So let's take these out. So what should I bring? I should travel lightly. So things that I really do want to use, I would love to curl my lashes and yeah, put on some mascara. Take some hand cream. Let's take this little egg Chanel thing. Oh no, the back got dirty. Damn it. So that, I've been really enjoying this YSL lipstick, some foundation. I'm on holiday, so I want something like a little bit light. So we're gonna go with this e.l.f. Halo Glow Finish. And then I need sunscreen, so let's pack some sunscreen. I actually do have a travel size sunscreen that I probably should take instead, but let's just take this big boy. And then, yeah, maybe I should take the smaller one. Let's not take that. Let's take the travel size one. So I do have some travel stuff in here inside of my Aqua de Parmi. Yeah, so here, this is my travel size sunscreen. So this is actually perfect for travel, so we'll put that in there. And then anything else? No, I think that's pretty much it. I should pack some skincare. Don't really know what skincare I want to take. I should take a face wash. So let's take a face wash. And oh yeah, let's take some skincare. So let's take some of this. Let's travel light. I should travel light. So yeah, this one. So this is the Centellia in the clear toner. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. Yeah, it's just like this really cute, like pink thing. So I'll just put that back in there. And then a lip balm. I should probably bring a lip balm and a perfume. I need a scent that's gonna be like this holiday scent. You know what? Let's go with Vanilla Antique. I think that will be really cute. So yeah, Vanilla Antique. Let's go with that. That would be perfect for the trip. And I think that's everything. So let's zip that up. And I think, yeah, my cosmetics are packed. Oh, a spoolie. Because your girl has really thick brows. So I need a spoolie. But where is the thing that goes with it? The clear, oh yeah, over there. So I need that. I guess we could like open a new one. So some brow gel, the little spoolie. This is like a Chanel spoolie from the Chanel stand. I took 2 of them. They're actually really good. Take those 2. Ooh, I think the smell I want to go with is Neroli. I love these travel size. They're much better. So actually, I'm gonna go with a Neroli for this trip. I think that would be better. Okay, so let's zip that up. Okay, so that's packed. Let's go pack some clothes. I think I definitely want to bring some new things. So I think I'm gonna pack, yeah, I'm gonna pack the new things that I got. I think that will look really nice. Although I don't know what the weather's gonna be like. If it's cold, that would really suck for me. So I think I'm probably gonna just choose 2. I'm not gonna bring this. I'm gonna wait for like summer. I'm not gonna bring that. I'm gonna bring this. Yeah, bring this. And I don't think I'll need the dress yet. I think it'll still be too cold for that. So I think this will be perfect. So this and this. Yes, perfect. Okay, so everything is looking really good. Yep. Yeah, I'll bring this too. So take that with us. Ugh. Yeah, that's looking really good. So yeah, I should take some stuff here from the laundry room. What should I take? I need some pants. Let's see what pants would look good for the trip. Oh yeah, these 2. I need this one and I need that one. So we have some fresh pants. Oh, it's snowing. Yeah, definitely need pants. Okay, good. And let's get some bras. So let's take this bra and that bra. Okay. All right, so we have that. And we have the 2 pairs of pants. Okay, that's looking really good. So 2 shirts, 2 pants. That I'll probably need a couple more shirts. See what I could pack. Ooh, I really do like this one. I think this one is really nice. We'll take that as well. What else can I take from here? Oh, I love this shirt. This one is like one of my favorites. This Wilfred shirt is freaking fantastic. So let's pack this baby too. So I think that should be good for all the nights. And then like the outfit of the outfit of the day of when I travel. And I think, yeah, that's kind of everything. Cause like I have a lot of goodies in there already. I'll probably clean that out before we go and pack a bag. Oh, that's looking great, and I think that's really good. I think that's, yeah, I'm obviously not gonna show you guys my underwear. That's kind of odd, but yeah, I think we are fully packed and ready to go. So yeah, thank you for coming along. I hope that you guys could have enjoyed my minimal packing. Nice, light, easy, breezy. So yeah, I will see you guys on holiday. Thanks for watching. Bye.